question? Okay, guys, so let's continue today with the questions we didn't finish yesterday, and then we'll move on to lesson 2. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we'll start with names. We're having names here. Okay. Omar is not here anymore, so we can move to the next. Muaz.
He's not here.
Muaz not here too. Yes, right. Tia is not here. Is he picking everyone that is not here? Okay, Farida. We have Farida.
Why is electric
wiring usually
electrical wiring usually made from copper?
copper.
Copper, I mean.
Copper. It's a metal. Yes.
Okay.
Because copper is shiny, because copper conducts electricity, or because copper is not magnetic?
Because copper conducts electricity.
Well done. Thank you. Yes, because copper conducts electricity. Thank you so much, Faida. Now let's
You're
move
welcome.
to the next. We have Yusuf. Yeah, so this single name just still surprising, but it's not taking that long time. Yes, Yusuf. Number 13, please.
Why is electrical wiring usually covered with a layer of plastic to make it safe?
Yes, to make it safe. Thank you so much. Yes. Now to protect us from electricity or electric charges moving through the wire. We have Liane. Yes, Adito, you're raising your hand.
Can I answer?
We're using names. Can't you see the names on the right?
Yeah.
Yes, so wait for your name. We're using this so everyone can have a chance to answer one time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we have Liane now. Liane, can you hear us? Liane, you are muted. We can't hear you, sweetie. I think there's something wrong with Liane's mic or something. Maybe she went to somewhere. So let's move to the next name. Leila is not here. Joyda. Joyda is here. Yes, I'm just checking if your name is there. Okay, Joyda, number 14. Can you read it, please, and answer it?
Okay, a material so which electricity current cannot pass easily is an
tester, insulator, conductor. Remember, it cannot pass easily, so it doesn't allow electricity to move through.
E.
E? We don't have E.
Sorry, B.
Ah, okay, B, insulators. Yes, well done. Thank you so much. Okay, number 15. In order for a circuit to work, the path must be, so let's pick who's next. Rugmini.
In order for the circuit to work, the path must be closed.
Yes, closed. Well done. Thank you so much. Yes, it could be parallel. It's like in parallel shape, but maybe there is a gap, so maybe it's not gonna work, or it could be serious and also not working.
It's not.
So open means that there is a gap. So yeah, in order for a path to be or a circuit to work, the path must be closed. Yes, Muhammad.
Miss, it's called the series or series circuit.
Series circuit. Series circuit.
Series?
Okay. Yes. Just like, you know, the series we watch in TV. The one with a lot of episodes. Yes. It's the same word.
Oh, okay.
Okay. It means like things are next to each other, like after each other. There is no different paths for it. Thank you so much, Muhammad. Okay, now we have Muhammad. That's nice. Nice coincidence. Yes. Number 16.
16.
Yes, guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to ask you. Can you see the screen really well? Do you need me to zoom in the questions? Do you need me to zoom in the questions?
No, it's okay.
Okay, so everyone can see the questions well.
A or an space is used to turn the electricity uh,
In a current,
electricity in a current
which
on or
means
off.
that the
Switch.
electricity is moving through wire. That's what we mean by
Yes.
electricity in a current. Yes, on or off.
Switch.
Which, thank you so much, Muhammad. Okay,
You're
now
welcome.
we have Adito. See, Adito? Now your time came. See? Now it's your turn. Huh?
Yes.
Number 17.
The flow of electric charge through something is an
Electric current, circuit tester, battery or wire?
wire.
No. It's where electricity moves through, or through which electricity moves or electric current moves. But the movement of the electric charges itself, what do we call it? It's called electric current.
Electric current.
Yes, so electric current is the flow of electric charges or electricity through the wires. Okay? You can answer
Okay.
number 18, Adito.
Okay.
Yes, is Layan back, guys? I'm sorry, Adito, for this. I'm just asking for Layan. Is Layan back? I will try to ask her to unmute. Maybe she's having a problem with her mic. Okay, number 18, Adito, you can read it.
A power source that can produce an electric current as a result of a chemical change in it is an
Circuit, wire, battery, filament. So here we're talking about chemical reaction. Yes, Layan, you're back?
Yeah.
Okay, you will answer the next question because your name was up on the screen, but we kept calling you, but you didn't hear us.
Okay.
Okay, number 18, a power source. Okay, Adito, it produces
Okay.
electric current, but through chemical reaction. It's made up
a
of
battery.
chemicals. Yes, well done. It's battery. Once they start, working on or moving around the particles in the battery, it will start producing electricity. Thank you so much, Adito. Okay, now let's move to Abdulrahman. I'm sure Layan will answer first and then you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Number 1, Layan, can you read it, please?
Yes. A material that electricity can travel through easily is called a conductor.
Yes, it's called conductor. Well done. So let me try to write
I
it
remember
down.
it by connecting.
Yes, well done. So conductor here is a material that allows electricity to move through. Okay, number 2, Abdulrahman. Thank you, Layan.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Now, Abdulrahman, it's your turn. Number 2.
Okay. A circuit is a path taken by a current. A path with no brakes is called
Yes.
closed circuit.
Yes, closed circuit or closed path. Yes, well done. Thank you so much, Abdulrahman. Well done. Yes. So here it says that a circuit is a path. Okay. So here we don't need to mention the circuit. But it says a path with no brakes is called a closed path. Well done. Or closed circuit. Let me use the circuit here. I'm sorry, guys. While using one hand. Okay. Now, let's see who's next. Farah.
Yes.
Yes, Farah. Can you read number 3?
Materials that do not allow electrical charges to
No,
pass
wait. It's
through
number 3. Number 3. If
a
there
break.
yes.
If there is a break in the path, the current flows. The circuit is incomplete. A break in the path is called an gap.
Well, yes, it's supposed to be a gap, but here he used an. So what do you think we should use? I don't think it's gonna be a gap, an gap, right? So it's the same as number 2, but the opposite.
Uh,
Huh? There is a gap. Well done. A break in the path is a gap, called a gap. But when we have a break in the path, that means we have an opened, huh?
circuit.
Yes, open circuit. Guys, inshallah, in the term exam, things will be way easier. Don't worry about this. But I mean, you guys are up to everything, mashallah. So I don't think anything will be difficult for you. Number 4, let's see. It's يتم. يتم.
Yes, miss.
Yes, number 4, Ayat, please.
Materials that do not allow electricity charges to pass through it easily are called insulators.
Insulators. Yes, well done. Insulators. Because they don't allow electricity to move through them. Okay, now the last question. It says, Tahir, are you with us?
Yes.
Yes, so this question needs a lot of thinking, Tahir. I know you're up to this. It says Ruby has connected 2 bulbs across 2 batteries in a simple circuit. Okay, so she has 2 bulbs, 2 batteries, and she's going to connect them in a simple circuit. Now, how can she make the bulbs dimmer, which means they are not shiny? Like dimmer is the opposite of shiny. How do you think she can make them dimmer?
I think she can like break one bulb and the other bulb will work.
Break
Or is
one
it a
bulb?
series circuit?
Well, she doesn't have to break anything. She doesn't have to break anything, but she can use one battery instead.
Oh.
Yeah, so she will have like weaker source of electricity. She has 2 bulbs and 2 batteries. She wants the bulbs to be dimmer. Dimmer means that they will have less energy, less electricity. So in this case, we can say by using only one
By using only one battery.
battery. Yes, so she will have less electricity, and this is how it's like gonna be dimmer and not so shiny. Thank you so much, Tahir. Well done. Okay, guys, in this question, we'll have people, and you guys, I think I enabled, um, yes, I will enable you guys to draw things on the screen. Okay, so you can answer this question. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So it's Pilar's time. Pilar, would you like to answer this question?
Yes, Miss Noah, but I'm losing my laptop, so I don't know how to write on the screen.
I know how to write with a laptop.
Okay, type. I will tell you something. You can tell me the function and I will tell you the symbol.
Miss Noah,
So this is a switch, yes?
I can tell her how to draw with a laptop. It's so easy.
Okay. But she's
Move your
not
mouse.
having her laptop. She's not having her laptop.
Oh, I thought she said she's using her laptop.
No, I think I don't know. Maybe I heard it wrong.
Ask
But I
Pilar
think
what device she's using. I know how to use her iPad, how to draw on her iPad or iPhone.
okay. How can you tell her, but in a fast way?
Yeah, Pilar,
Miss Noah,
Yes.
I know how to use how to draw with my iPad or my iPhone, but now I'm losing my laptop, so I don't know how to draw.
You
I
don't
know how to
need it.
using
You don't
laptop.
need it.
she's using your
It's okay, God.
laptop.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, okay. So,
I can draw
Bilal,
with
you
laptop.
can tell me the job or the function, and I will draw the symbol. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me the function of the switch.
Um, it
What is the job of the switch? What does it do in the circuit?
it it make it opens and
No, Bilal,
closes.
your voice is so far. Can you get closer to the mic, please?
It open and closes the circuit.
Yes, well done. Opens and closes the circuit. We can say that it controls
The circuit.
circuit. Yes, well done. Or it can open or close the circuit. Okay,
Okay.
opens. Let me get here. Opens and closes the circuit. Well done, Bilar. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's move to the next one. First, I will draw the sample, but let's like finish all the function. Well, let me draw the sample so your friends can do the rest of the questions, okay? Okay, so now we have a bigger screen so you guys can have enough space. So I will use the this one. Okay, so the sample of the switch is so simple. This is an open switch. This is an open switch. It's not closed. So we'll draw it like this with a simple line. Okay, and
Miss,
there is a small
does the symbol in the quiz?
Yes, there will be samples in the questions.
Okay.
Okay, and a small circle, and then another line. Guys, you have to use your ruler. So make sure you have a ruler in the term exam. Okay, of course I can't do this in the same ability as on the board, unfortunately. Okay, okay. This is how it looks like. Then we have another line here. Of course, all of this should be on one line, but yeah, excuse my drawing. Okay, now batteries. We can move to the next one. Batteries. Who's next? Let me get this out of the way. Okay, now we think Jenna is next. Jenna. Yes, Jenna. Okay, guys, I'll have to move faster now because we only have 10 minutes. So batteries are the source of electricity. So I'm not gonna draw this. You guys already know the samples now. The batteries looks like two lines, like one small line and another one big line like this. Okay, this is how the battery looks like with two lines on the side. Okay, this is how the battery looks like. Okay, now the wire is just a simple line and the wire is where electricity moves through. Now let me clear all of this so I can move downwards. It doesn't allow you to move without this. The bulb is simple also. Can someone draw the bulb for me?
Miss, can I draw it?
Yes, sure.
Yes,
May
Hamza,
I
you
do?
can draw it. Yes, Hamza.
Okay. The bulb, can you see my drawing?
Yes.
Yes, I know.
Wait.
Okay, Hamza. Doris trying to draw them too. Okay. That's a lot of people drawing in the same way.
Miss, it looks like how you draw how to
Yes.
draw faces.
So now let me clear all of this. Let me clear all of this. Thank
Okay,
you
I'll
guys for
delete, I'll
trying.
delete mine.
Okay, thank you so much. So it's like a circle. Yes, that's enough, guys. That's enough. Thank you so much. You can take your drawings off now. Like a circle, okay, with an X inside. So it should be smaller one. So we can draw the X first. And then we have the circle here. Okay, with two lines to the side. So this is how the sample of a battery I'm sorry, of a bulb looks like, and the bulb lights up to show us if electricity is moving or not. Okay, so now let's move on to this question. I will just do one. So guys, we don't have enough time. So here he's showing you a circuit and he wants you to draw it in a simple way, okay, or in samples. So let's clear all these drawings. So we look here, we see that we have two batteries first. So we should draw the two batteries first. So we have two batteries here next to each other. Okay. So we draw, of course, it will be easier if you guys did this with your hands and ruler. And then this is like the two bulbs here. This should be with a ruler, everyone. That's why I'm trying to use this single line, okay? Then we'll have the wire here on the sides. And then we'll have the bulb, okay? So we can draw it here now. There's an X and there's the circle for it. Oh, the circle needs to be, okay, like this. Okay, and then the rest of the wire, can you guys see what I'm doing? It's like the same as the picture here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yes. Of course, don't make any gaps because turn it off and it's working. Yeah. So here it is, and then we'll have a switch. Of course, the switch should be with like small circles like this. Yeah, but it's like too hard to draw it with your laptop. Okay, so that's it. This is what I mean by this question. So now let's move on to the other lesson. We have only 4 minutes. We'll talk for about magnetism today. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Okay, guys, you're still missing one study sheet for chapter 16, lesson 2. Inshallah, I will try to upload it as soon as possible. But now you have all the worksheets. Oh, okay, no, not this one. I need this one, number 2. Okay. This one's talking about magnetism, and we said that magnets is like the object that attracts like iron and other materials. So it's like something we can find in nature, and it starts attracting iron and other materials, but not all materials. Not all materials are magnetic. So what do we mean by magnetic then? When I say that this object is magnetic, what does that mean? Huh?
Is it a magnet can attract it?
Miss, I know how to find it. I saw it on YouTube.
No, I don't know how to find it. I'm saying, what do I mean when I say that this object is magnetic?
It means when an object can be attracted by magnet.
Yes, so this object will be attracted with magnets. So when I say iron is magnetic, that means if it's magnetic, that means it will be attracted to a magnet. Yes, but not all metals are magnetic. Okay, so not all metals are attracted to magnets. Magnets can have different shapes. They can be in bars, U-shaped. You can see the shapes in your textbook, or thin or flat. Okay, magnets, of course, can make things magnetic. If we rub it against a metal, the metal will actually gain some, magnet power, but just for a few moments, and then it will lose it. Okay, now the factors that affect how strong the magnets are. Number one, the distance. So if I'm having a magnet and a magnetic object, but with really long distance, the magnet is not going to work. So as the distance increases, or the farther the object, the weaker the magnet's attraction. Number two, other forces, like if something is pulling the magnet. For example, the magnets that you guys have on the fridge. When you get it off, you are other forces affecting the magnet. When you separate two magnets together, you are the other forces that are separating those two magnets. Number three, barriers. If there are barriers between the magnet and the magnetic objects, for example, here we have the magnet down here and all the magnetic objects or the iron fillings up there. So if we have a really long or a big barrier between them, of course, the weaker the magnet will be, okay? Last but not least is the magnetic poles. The magnetic poles are the north and the south ones. And those are where the strength of the magnet is the strongest, okay? You will see here that most of the iron fillings are found next to the poles. Can you guys see that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we have less than 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Yes. So last thing is magnetic field, and this is the area around the magnet where its work is there, or its force is there. Yes, this is what we mean by magnetic field. Okay. Last thing is electromagnet, guys. We will talk about this next week because we don't have enough time today. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time today, so we'll talk about it next week. Okay.
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 You guys have any questions before leaving?